Step 1. Start with your suit. Lay your leg out so that the curve falls into the bag. Then fold the waist over top neatly. Now fold your jacket. If you like to avoid wrinkles, use tissue paper. Stuff one piece of tissue paper into each arm so that the paper extends through the shoulder. Then fold the arms in and the bottom of the jacket over the top. Step 2. Stack your shirt. Never roll your shirt to avoid wrinkles. Always fold it. Now, place your shirt on top of your suit and jacket. And the best way is, well, watch what I am doing here. And when you stack your folded shirt, be sure to alternate the color to keep your stack even. Step 3. Fill in the crack. And now you can roll your socks. Grab your socks, underwear, and other smallest item. Once rolled, you can use them to fill in the corner and the cracks of your bag. Step 4. Shoes to the side. Place a piece of tissue paper on top of your clothes. Then put your shoes inside of a shoes bag to avoid dirtying your other item. Place your shoes on the side of your carry-on. If you have 2 pairs, put one on each side. Inside the bag, your shoes will provide some structure. Step 5. Top with toiletries. Before you put your toiletries in your carry-on, be sure to back up the liquid. Then place that bag on top so that it's easily accessible when you go through airport security. And last, finish with the necessity. It could be a phone charger or anything else. Whatever you need to stay productive on the plane, put it safely on top and you are ready to go.